Symmetry is the general law of nature. In all systems at macroscopic and macroscopic level, we see this symmetrical order. Symmetry is the way of nature. It's something that nature has chosen itself for itself. Most beautiful symmetries have proved to be the greatest laws of nature. The discovery of these symmetries that appear to us in form of laws. So it is still all the kinds of knowledge we have developed so far, humanity has developed so far, be it sciences, technology, engineering, social sciences, music and fine arts, all kind of these knowledges, symmetry is the intrinsic part. It is the same symmetry which Gregor Mendel discovered while experimenting with dynamics of inheritance, and in this process laying the foundation of what we call genetics. As genes were found, it was actually discovery of another symmetrical order that governs the structure and transmission of genes. Double helical structure of DNA is again a symmetry. The patterns within DNA of bases like adenosine, cytosine, guanine, thymine again represents a symmetry which programs for a particular pattern of amino acids, proteins, creating different kinds of life, rich flora and fauna, making this planet really a fascinating place to explore. Humanity has always taken cues from these symmetries in the nature, and in course of time different laws of nature have been discovered as these symmetries were explored. So these laws have helped humans to develop different technologies right from planes to buildings to all kinds of automatic systems. Symmetry is quite evident. Nash equilibrium, one of the widely accepted theory applicable to multiple domains, right from socio-economic systems, political systems, computer and information systems, again identifies a particular symmetric configuration of system variables leading to maximum system output. It does not end here. General theory of relativity, Maxwell's equations, quantum entanglement, all these are symmetries. All these are statements of symmetries. Symmetries of space-time.